I'm Olivia.
And I'm Steve, and we're the duo behind House of Improv.
We're not lawyers, but we teach them.
We've been cross-examined over 1,200 times in trial skills clinics and our own private work with attorneys. That's just as much or more than most expert witnesses. The difference? We're using our powers for good.
As career actors, our number one mission is to present stories in an honest way that sparks positive change. And that's what you do too.
We know how hard it is to present a story that compels an audience to take action.
Since 2022, we've contributed to over $32 million in verdicts and a full acquittal of criminal charges, saving someone from a 100-year prison sentence.
Whether you practice plaintiffs, family law, or criminal defense, we've created programs to make proven trial and storytelling skills second nature. This is not about winging it or making you a comedian.
We're your trial coaches, ready to help you be a better storyteller so you can be a better advocate for your client.